Hey guys, what's going on? Today we are heading up to Bandamere for Street Outlaws, no Prep Kings. So some drag racing, a little bit different on the channel as of what's been happening recently. A lot of interesting stuff coming up on the channel though, so stick around. But yeah, gonna go watch some drag racing and some Street Outlaws, and pretty excited. Probably gonna be our last time at Bandamere ever since they're closing down after the season. So I don't know. We'll go, we'll have some fun, and I'll take you guys along with me.
Next pair coming at you right here. Over in the left lane. That's going to be Daddy Dave. Looks like the car died after the burnout. Won't fire back up.
It leaking. It be leaking.
City's gonna see my YouTube and then do the background shot. I just want to hop in here at the end of the video and thank you guys for watching. It's really sad that Bandamere is closing down at the end of the season, but it was great to be able to go for one last time. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.